2024 Audi A8 Grand Sphere new model replacing the A8. The 2024 Audi A8 would likely be replaced by a new Audi Grand Sphere, which is designed as an electric vehicle. The A8 has been known as a reliable and luxury vehicle, so it is only logical to expect the replacement to have the same qualities. The A8 won't be phased out immediately, but considering that Audi is focusing on its EV development, it won't be bothered focusing on the gas models. Welcome to Cars Jade. Subscribe this channel to watch latest 2024 car reviews here. Design and style. The 2024 Audi A8 Grand Sphere would be 5.33 meters in length, which is longer than the current A8. This four-door vehicle won't be incorporating the long bonnet. The size seems to be developed and focused for the passengers, enabling them to feel spacious and comfortable. For the design, there would be a flowing crease from the bonnet along the body to the tapered rear end that can disguise the cab-forward style. This vehicle has aerodynamic body shape. The big rear spoiler is meant to smoothen the airflow going to the rear cameras and windscreen, replacing the conventional wing mirrors. As a result, the vehicle can avoid the possibility of too much drag. Not to mention that the new Grand Sphere has a big diffuser that makes it stable even with high speed. The interior cabin. The interior cabin is plush and exclusive. Let's not forget that it is a luxury ride, which means that you can expect luxury for the cabin. It incorporates high-end technologies and features. Unlike other models that have infotainment screens, this one doesn't have any physical display, but infotainment would be projected on the big surface within the cabin. When the car activates the autonomous driving mode level 4, the steering wheel would disappear and your Audi will be a moving cinema with 4 seats layout. Powertrain and performance. The upcoming A8 would be an electric ride, having 120 kilowatt-hours battery pack. It is able to cover 466 miles, or around 750 kilometers of distance with a single charge. With 800V charging system, the charging would be fast. By doing a 10-minute charge, the vehicle can cover 186 miles of distance, while a 25-minute charge can fill the battery up to from 5% to around 80%. Thanks to a pair of electric motors, located on the rear and front axles, the performance is pretty impressive. This arrangement supports four-wheel driving system, while the dual motor itself can generate 720 pounds and 960 Nm of torque. The vehicle is able to reach 62 miles per hour within 4 seconds.